Hi, I'm Jackson Oscar.
I want to record first. And then you're.
Hi, I'm Jackson Oscar Aguilera. I'm going to show you all my fidgets in this box.
And then I have a YouTube channel.
Okay, Logan. We all know.
I know. I'm doing all my Jackson.
And here's all my. This is my fidget box. Where is it? Wait, what? Where is it? Where is it? What the? Oh. This is my fidget box. Here it is. It's red. My favorite color is red.
Look at my fidgets too.
I want to show you one of them. Let's see. Da-da-da-da.
Let me get mine. Get mine.
This one, we had a fidget race. And this one went in second.
Do you like mine?
Shush, Logan. Put it on Daddy's phone.
Yay!
And here's this one.
Yeah! You know what? Recording.
Here's this. Oh, fidget cube. What?
I need you to help me.
Huh?
I need you to help me do YouTube.
Hold on. Okay, I just needed to help. I'm going to finally show you all mine. Da-da-da-da-da. I have all 11. Here's my American one. My friend Jordan. Not my friend anymore. He has one, but it's different. I know I showed you this. Cowboy fidget. I need to sound more exciting. Here's this fidget. This one won in the race. It's fast. It spins 3, 2, or 5 minutes. 3 or 5 minutes. Here's this one. I don't really like it. I painted it. Here's this one. It's just new. And here's this one. Sorry, I have a lot of frogs in my throat. Ribbit! Shush, frogs. This one lost in the race. It was in last place. Here's this gold double one. I gave one to Logan that was blue, and he lost it. And my brother only has 4 fidgets. Check out my brother's YouTube channel. It's called Little Einstein Wimp Watch Me Nay Nay. And here's this gold one. It's heavy. If you got this one, it is very heavy. It's just... I painted this one too. And that's all, folks. That's all. That's all. All around the world for a million years. Okay, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. In the corner, which corner? And goodbye. Make sure to comment and share.